Hey guys, if you would like to get $20 an hour on Temu, today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn money. So first thing first, get logged into your account, select you, and then select play and earn. So the most effective way to earn some cash on Temu is by using its cash reward gifts. In my case, I don't have any here, but in your case, it might be different. Under this orange color, you might also see cash reward. So if you have it, go ahead, select it. But to show you what it will look like, I'm gonna show this redeem coins one. In your case, you might have to pick a gift. In my case, I have this spending coin here. But once you pick a gift, all you have to do is share the link to any person. It could be an Instagram, or copy the link and send it to your friends or family. And once they sign up using your link, come back to here again, follow the ongoing process, and at the end, you will be able to get a free gift or hard cash on Temu. This will be paid via PayPal, so make sure that your bank account is also connected.